So here I'm going to be answering the universal question on if you can glitch the Temu affiliate marketing and then be able to make infinite amount of money through Temu by glitching their affiliate marketing. So first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu app and then go into the Temu affiliate marketing. So go ahead and click on categories. Go ahead and click on categories and then go to the search bar, and all you have to do is type in affiliate, and just like that you're going to be led into your Temu affiliate program. So unfortunately, with the Temu affiliate program, there's actually no glitch method or way to basically glitch their affiliate marketing and then get unlimited new referrals, getting unlimited new $5. I mean, unless you're some crazy hacker, you pretty much cannot glitch the Temu affiliate marketing. And the only way for you to get money from this program is by sharing your link or your code to platforms on social media or to your friends and family members, and getting new users to download the Temu using your link or your code and earn money like that, like the normal way. And you'd probably get banned or some even worse consequences. So I just say stick to promoting your link